Honestly, I really don't want this workers to chase over our customers.
No.
I want them to compose themselves and learn.
It's fine, sweetie. I can handle them, okay?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Have they been given the uniform, the hotel uniform?
Oh yes. Trust me on that.
I trust you.
Mm-hmm.
I trust you.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah. But I know I would like to see you.
It's fine, no problem.
Okay.
Yes.
We have to sweep first. Madam, start from here. Okay, on go again. No. Step back, everyone. You have started. Why they keep their things anyhow now? They don't know. This is not what. So they can't keep. Where is the number? Let me put this. How about this? It's smelling. This is money.
It's money now.
Shit, are you not see what I'm saying? Why is it like it's nothing to you? Chop it! Why? You feel the trouble?
See, you don't touch customers' things when you come to clean their rooms. You don't do it, yes.
But why will someone be so stupid to leave his money like this? Why? Is this how they leave money in the hotel? In all the rooms, they used to keep money like this, eh?
This is a hotel. And the things are in safe hands. Listen, let me tell you, but anytime you go to clean any room and something gets missing, you will be held responsible.
Okay, there's no problem. You can go now, we'll ferry you. You can go. Hey, let's do our work.
Don't touch, oh. I've told you.
There you go.
Don't touch.
Come on here, babe. I should not touch. Money that will change my life. Are you okay? I should not touch. Hey, go! Some people have money. This is dollar. They give way. Mad. Are you sure we'll not take this now? Let's take it down and stop talking in this hotel. Keep it first. Keep it. Let's go and tell you. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it. Money.
Wait, how much? Like how much?
We didn't count it. We didn't count plenty money. Money. It goes as a big money that can change our lives. Some people have money in this country.
Which money? I know. I saw them when they entered. Let
them go. That guy had money. Some people have money in this country.
So you could not even take anything, even if it's one
wrap. That guy didn't allow us to touch it.
Even if it's one wrap now.
One wrap.
Just like that.
Hi guys, what's up?
Chichi!
How you all doing?
We are fine.
You guys are looking excited.
Exactly.
Hey, Chichi, I want to ask you something.
Go ahead.
Please, I want to admit now.
Ask
me. If you, as we are cleaning all these rooms now, does it mean that if for any reason, somebody's money or anything, phone or anything get missing, they'll come and ask us?
Perhaps.
Which one is perhaps?
I thought maybe means that maybe they might not. Then they will not hold us.
You'll be held responsible.
You'll be held responsible. Let me go like this. What if we saw money, but we did not touch it though? We locked the door very well. Then another person entered there to take the money. Would they still hold us responsible?
Yes, you'll still be held responsible for questioning.
Wait, Charukwa, Chichi, that means we will go, that means they will go to prison. No, she will go to jail. No, this is my work. No, you're joking. I'm always there, I'm not
The point here is to be very careful, extremely careful. If you see, you talk. If you don't talk, you're going to prison.
Have you heard? So don't touch, talk. That's why we spoke out now.
Yes. The kind of money we saw today.
Big money!
Even to offer. The kind of money we saw today is enough to take us to abroad. It's enough to make us to become.
What about the money? What about the money? Did you take it? Did you leave it back home?
That year we should not touch it.
But Chichi, what if they decide to take just one wrap? Like take, not stealing, take small, one wrap.
If you take anything that does not belong to you without the person's consent, you're going to jail.
No, because the person is too
You
rich.
are stealing. Beg. If you see anything in any of the rooms, you bring it to the reception and contact the front desk management.
Hey, well, you said something. You said if you did not take
Wait, I count now. No second down. How many do you make for you?
To Benna.
Now waiting. Huh?
To Benna, I had a dream last night.
So, if you get dream, you go consign me.
And in that dream, I saw you negotiating my little piece of land with somebody. To Benna, you want to sell my land. Let me warn you, I will skin you alive. I will kill you if you tamper. Meminare. Look at my heart is as bitter as this bitter leaf. I am embittered about you. I am. I will scream you alive.
But this person finish.
Take me to that land to Benna. Meminare. Oh, look at your life, you're gambling. And you think you can also gamble with my own land? Mazibe.
No, because I don't go school. Now you think say you just come my house. They speak English.
Will you shut up? Am I responsible for your misfortune?
Come on there.
See, I have said my own. My mind is as bitter as this bitter leaf. I will deal with you. Step into that land again. Keep gambling.
What is this man?
See your gambling. You can gamble here, but you cannot gamble with my own land. Be careful.
I wish I been woman for raping my house. This one you do this one now, but they just carry go inside. Make I go through this for inside.
Wait. So now say you dey leave this man, you can talk anyhow for your face. You just dey leave this man, you just dey talk anyhow. Eh? When you no allow us to enter am, make we teach am one lesson wey be say you no go forget for in life. Chat be this.
Me not worry. Me not worry. Me not leave him. This man, I will get in time. The one I will get, I will go tie him. We will tie him now. We will tie. We will put him. We will shoot on top. We will shoot for his head. Men speak for his mouth.
So. See the way you dey vibrate.
Leave him. Leave him.
Make we understand.
Leave him.
Come no, if you no get money,
bring your phone. If you no get money, move your play.
go and borrow one.
Hold on. You're not my banker. My banking manager.
What kind of nonsense is all this now? Eh? What are we going to call this one? Disturbing everybody. I'll hit this door. I'll hit it.
Who is there?
Please, we want to clean the room, sir.
Come back later.
We can't come back later, sir. This is morning. Besides, we're done cleaning the other rooms. This is the only one remaining, sir.
Yes, sir.
I said come back later.
No, sir, this is our work. Do you want them to sack us? Please, open for us. Open, sir, please.
It's like you are mad.
Don't force me. Sir, can you just open, please?
He wants to go. Ojie.
What are you two doing here?
I'm Are you speaking French or Swahili? Eh?
We want to clean this room.
Or you don't know our duty? We want to clean the room now. You're asking us what we do here. Or is this no, it's not disturbing? Are you deaf?
Oh my god. Are you guys being serious right now?
Yes, we are being serious.
What do you mean?
For crying out loud, this is a hotel and we'll be hearing this. You better leave this place before the supervisor catches up with both of you. Or better still, go and clean other rooms and come back for this.
So? It's not my job. I should not do my job again. Supervisor will catch me.
What can you don't want to come?
He said he wants to come.
What is going on here?
Nothing, sir.
This was too much.
Tiny girls can moan. Yeah, man.
That noise was something else, honestly.
Hey! Jokes apart. I am tired of this hotel matter. I'm tired of all this hotel work. I'm tired. Tired.
Something just came to my mind now.
Something like what?
Hold on. I'm thinking of something.
What's the thing now? Say it. A man Koko now.
Asa, let's get camera and mount in anywhere in this room. Any corner in this room.
Only this room?
Not only this room, any other room, any other hotel.
All the rooms?
Yes. Let's
Why?
get camera and mount.
Why?
You know why? It will help us to make money from them.
Make money? How?
All these men that come here with different women, will mount camera, then when they come, we'll, blackmail it. Don't know what they call it, blackmailing.
To blackmail them?
Yes! We will put camera when they come with different women. Most especially the married ones. We'll put camera in the room when they come. They won't know that there's a camera. We'll use it to blackmail them. Baby, better money. Forget it. Better money.
It just came on me too.
You understand, Abby?
So, we want to start making money now. Hasn't?
You have a strong point. I'm telling you. By the time they know we have their nude videos, they want to pay anything. Yes!
You have a point. So, you're just intelligent.
Come on, you don't know it was.
See, we will tell Nkiru about this before we start. Do you understand? But now, there's a problem.
What's the problem?
Where do we get money to buy cameras?
Buy camera.
Calm down. Just relax. We will fix it. You guys will do one. We will fix it. Yes. We'll find a way of it.
Yes.
Okay. That's no problem.
Let's do what we came to do.
Chichi, please. Listen, I need to say it out. Do you understand? I would like to know, in fact, we would like to know if it's this hotel business you're doing that gave you money to buy this beautiful car and this big house.
I've been thinking the same thing.
Same here, girl.
You know, in a city, every beautiful girl, even the ugly ones, have someone who is fending for her.
Are you serious? So please, tell us, who is fending for you?
You girls are my friends. I won't lie to you for any reason.
Okay, so tell us.
The management of the hotel where I work,
Okay.
he is the one fending for me.
Is he married?
Oh yes.
Chimo!
What's the Chimo for?
He's married.
Yes.
Chichi! A married man. Dimwadu.
Am I supposed to be dating a young boy?
What?
That can't even do anything?
Oh,
please. He's not even the only person that fends for me.
I
have them many.
And what about his wife?
Sorry?
What about the man's wife?
Please, cheers to that.
Oh, cheers. Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. You know what? Don't worry. As long as you girls are still in the city, every one of you must meet someone who would like, girl, what type of car do you want? I want to buy for you.
There are lots of young guys out there.
I'm telling you, you mustn't be a married man, please.
Really?
Yes.
Damn it. You know what? Still, cheers to
Cheers
good life.
to that. Cheers to good life. Cheers, now. You are in city now. Cheers. Oh my God. Demand.
I don't know if she's going to support this our idea, because me, Ebele, I am not in any way ready to sleep with any married man or even
with me.
Any man.
Listen. Whether she supports us or not, we will do it. We even brought up this evil thought.
Me. So what do you think about it?
Listen, we will just put ourselves together, find a way to convince her to teach us. I don't think it's only this married men thing. I think there's more to it. Chichi has to tell us the truth. What are you people saying? Have you thought of the repercussion? Have you thought about that?
Listen. Nobody will know that we are the one doing it.
And what if they trace us? Oh, I hate negative thoughts. Which one is true? Did you come to this city to be looking around? You don't come to make money. We still have to be careful. Biko, we still have to be careful about our decisions. No. It's money. If you're not talking money, don't talk to me in this city. Do you understand?
I don't understand what you mean.
See, every of your thoughts should be positive. They will not catch us.
That is how unfortunate bastards talk to themselves when they walk along the street. Huh?
Okay, now waiting. Huh? No, wait, what's not do you?
But are you not a bastard? Do you know your father? Do you know your father? A butterfly that calls himself a bird.
Why you not gonna let me drink, use cup?
Why would I let you drink and drop the cup? Eh? Do you know that you are as useless as your father? Your father died a useless man and you are equally useless.
What did I do you? I can't let you there. I can't let you there.
Come on, will you get out of my sight before I place a curse on you? Eh? Are you still standing and look? I will use this and break your head. What is your problem?
Because I respect you.
Huh?
Huh?
You respect who?
No, because I respect you.
I said take a walk.
Don't make a change that for you.
Don't worry. Your mates will handle you. I say your mates. You touched me.
Let me talk to
you. Okay. You touched me.
Don't worry. I'll tag man. I will throw you, idiot. I don't respect you because he's my uncle. You the Christ.
You have the maggot mouth to talk to me. Even touching me.
Don't worry. I know what I will do you. 12 o'clock midnight. I will take visit you, idiot.
You are back. Why is your face like this? Is everything okay?
Who be my papa? Why don't I saw who be my papa who born me? What is that? You know what who born me?
Our father is late.
I know say you don't die. But tell me who be my papa. Tell me the history of my papa. How they born me. How they come this life. I want to know.
Tobe, you have to calm down. You cannot just come in now and start asking me who your father is. Like I said earlier, our father is late.
I know, but I want to know why my second name for this village na bastard. Everybody anywhere I go, bastard. Make I know whether my papa na give me bastard. I be na the normal other bastard when I don't know go school, but I don't say bastard mean person will not get papa. So who be my papa? Tell me.
Bastard.
You know what tell me who born me?
Who called you bastard? Who in this village called you bastard?
You tell me how they take born me. Who born me? Tell me, I'm a papa. If you get this kind of news when I get, tell me, make I know everything.
Okay, just go in. You need to rest, eat and rest before you go out tomorrow.
Until you take too much. I know so you don't old. At least don't they go 40-50. So you see they use small eye till they look me. I don't grow too. I won't know. Tell me who be my papa. Now what thing I want hear. Who be my papa?
Before you go out tomorrow, I will tell you all you need to know.
So this is how they play. You know what they will about me? Huh?
Girls, I don't understand. How could they come up with such evil thoughts? How did they even conceal it? I'm scared of these girls. How?
Baby, I noticed you have not been okay all this while. Is there anything the matter?
Baby, it's nothing really serious. It's just that I'm having some financial issue.
Financial issue? Yeah, you have me. Stop that, okay? You know, it must be okay for me. You know you're my eyes in this hotel. Must. Okay?
I will be fine just for you.
So, now you're talking. I need to go now.
Okay. To where?
Let's see about that. Are you jealous?
Of course I should be jealous.
You don't, baby. Don't.
Why?
It's
if
okay,
I'm not jealous, that means I don't love you.
It's okay. I know you love me. And I love you so much.
Ain't you going to give me money?
I'll pay you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Alright. Love you, baby. Thank you.
Why when you dey like this? When you fold your face like a person wey lose a mama. I'm saying everywhere dey soft. Me, I just dey wonder. Huh? Tell us now wetin dey happen.
Now wetin I do them for this village? Huh? Wetin I do them for this village when they no wan let me rest? If my papa or my mama get wetin they do for this village before they born me, they no go meet them, make they come solve the punishment or carry the hatred go meet them. Why be say almost everybody for this village they hate me? Master Ibe, you no wan use eye see me at all. Anywhere you see me, na wahala. I dey waka my how they go, e dey give me problem. I look left, e dey there. I look right, e dey there. The only person wey see dey give me small joy. Your mama no want I see us together. Wetin I do then?
Now you dey cause all this thing. I don tell you make we go that man. But you gonna do all this soft stuff. Now you wan make dey disturb you. If you say you give us time, make we just show this man say he no be anything. But you no wan hear.
Thank you. Abeg, make una no go the man. Yeah? I dey tell una say nobody wan use eye see me for this village. Everybody no like me for this village. This one dey call me bastard. This one dey call me illiteracy and everything. Una wan still go add more problem join the one wey dey already dey grand. So make we go Mazi Ibe now, then you go tell Igwe say all of us weeps. Then they'll come say make they no wan serve for this village again. They'll come banish all of us for this village. Where we wan go? No, if they say make they no wan serve for this village again, where we wan go?
See, man, I tell you, this thing wey you dey just dey use church mind. Now you dey tire me for years. Everything that you dey use am church mind. Hey, I no wan make them vanish me. Wetin you wan make they kill you before you go know wetin you go do?
Leave am. Na me dey find. Na me dey no like leave am. Na your trouble dey find. Na your trouble. Tell una say many people no wan add more. If na so una good, una wan help me fight. Una no fit go get out the money una don save. Una no fit give me make I add join the one una don save. Me I go marry Ekpere so that I don say im mama wahala don comot for my head. Na only Mazi Ibe now come dey battle for this village.
I understand. It's okay. Make you don't do that to your face like that again. Wey we take.
Na your face?
Yes, because you get some girls wey we go like make we talk now. Those girls, because of you be our friend, you do way you dey put face now. They no go let us talk to them. Abeg go. Make you don't dey do like all this kind of thing. Who dey go leave am? I no dey do that thing. You be our friend.
Dey go. Na my face. If you no wan like the face, throw away your face. Don't look am.
No dey do am like that. You go spoil things for us.
Don't look the face. Which boy?
Yeah, I don talk my own.
Which girl? You get girlfriend? You don't. I don't want to see you with girl before.
Now you dey do am now. Your face wan spoil.
Chichi, since you have told us how you made your own money, I, Angole and Nkilu, we have decided to make our own money in a different way.
Yes, exactly.
Which is?
Yes, we've decided though. So we've decided to be blackmailing rich men that comes to the hotel with small girls.
What?
No, we will put camera in their rooms. Do you understand? But once we catch them.
Blackmail.
Yeah.
In which hotel?
The hotel we're working at.
It's never going to be possible. Yes, because I cannot watch you girls spoil what I have built for so many years.
And why won't it be possible?
It will not be possible, please. It's not going to be possible. I beg. See, don't beg us. Don't use that I beg. You've made your own money. Allow us to make our own money. And this is how we want to make our own money. If you don't want to make the money the way I made my own money, then look for something else. Don't tell me you want to mount camera in a hotel where I work.
Oh, your own way might not be our own way.
No, I do not. Please,
girl.
I do not want to have problems with you girls. Please, I don't want to hear this again.
Chichi, calm down.
Calm down.
Listen, it's not like we're fighting. We're just saying that you should understand us. This is something we're going to do within ourselves and nobody is going to know about it.
Pure blackmailing.
Of course we know, but nobody will know about it.
No, it's better you fuck a dick, get money than blackmail someone.
No way for us.
Please, I don't want to talk about this. Please, not in my hotel, maybe someone else's hotel. Not in the hotel where I work. Excuse me.
I don't want to put in a call, Chicho. Forget this thing. You've made your own money. You don't want to forget this thing. She's right somehow.
I understand you've not been yourself for some days now. I understand. But you have to think about the money we are going to make with no trace. I mean, I know it's going to be very difficult for you to accept. But babes, we need this money.
This is the most difficult thing I have ever tried to conceal. It's not digesting.
I understand. Make it to digest.
It's not working out. Like we can make this money. We can make the money the way we are already. I mean, we are trying to get ourselves incriminating.
Chichi, we need this money. We need bigger money. And this is exactly the only way we have to do it.
And this is the hardest way to make the money.
Yes, you have to have the mind if you want to make money.
I can't conceal it.
You have to conceal it.
I can't. It's not digesting.
Oh my goodness, I understand you very well, but I'm telling you the truth that nobody will trust us. We're going to be very, very smart on it. Please, I beg of you, let's do this.
How did you digest this?
How did I do what?
Hey, Mary. Like, your heart is now hardened.
I don't know what else to tell you. I beg of you, Biko.
Yeah, I was staying abroad with my parents until my father died. So I and my mother decided to move down here so we can take care of that business.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You must come from a rich family.
Of course.
So where are you staying in the States?
I was Russian.
Russia?
Yeah.
Which part in Russia?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Is that?
what we call that girl.
It's okay. Don't worry. Very soon, everything will be alright. You know? So how is Chichi? No problem. Just send my greetings to her, oh? Bye. Bye.
Success, the long way and the short
What are you doing? What is a bastard like you doing in my house this afternoon? What is it?
No, that one loud now. You should be bastard again. Huh?
Hey, are you not one?
No.
Tell me, do you know your father? What does he look like? Do you know his name? Where is he? Any of the questions? Any answer for them? Eh?
I don't come here come quarrel or fight. Eh? I mean, a bad thing I do say make I come greet my mother-in-law.
Did I kill a lion that you want to come or elephant that you want to come and greet me?
No, I just want to know if since my wife to be don't travel go town, whether she don't send any message come.
Ah, she has sent so many messages.
Yeah. Okay. So what did she talk?
Oh, she said I should tell you that she has made so much money.
I took her so she go make her.
She didn't say she'll give you. The money she made is still with her and she's giving me. It's not for you. But the second message, that one is very, very important. In fact, she said I should tell you that she does not want to have anything to do with you again. She does not want to have anything to do with a bastard like you ever again in her life. She said she has found herself a legitimate son with a noble father. So everything is correct. Do you want to hear more? Why? I don't know. Come and hear more because she sent several. She said a bastard like you should move on. Oh, you're on the way. Come and hear. You had money. I know she will make it. No, she will end like she's going to end a failure like you. Bastard, you should go to follow bastard. That's a father. Nonsense. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. Am I the only graduate in this village that does not have a job? Am I the only one? Why are you bent on disgracing me in this village? I don't like it, Mama. You're stupid to have said that. That's a mark of ungratefulness. Do you know what it means for a widow like me? Every of my savings I used to see you through university. Yes, I don't have anything to show for it. What do you mean by nothing to show for it? Of course, you know that I'll be submitting my CV everywhere. I'm submitting my CV to different companies. I believe one day they will call me. Why are you doing like this? One day? Yes, Mama. So when will that day come? That one day. How many years will it take for it to come? God's time is the best. Yeah. Mama, we can stop all this. I don't like it. Stop all this. I will not stop it. Listen, I am pitying you. But for slaving to see you through university, you must slave to take care of me. In Anuya. For this house, it will not accommodate us. I'd better go and look for yourself another house you will live. Manefruna,
Hey! Onye porota kwato ye, somu beze ga kwato. It is my house. Be careful. Bata back with Runa.
Am I the only graduate in this place that does not have a job? Am I the only graduate? No! Of course no! And all of them are living comfortably with their parents. Mama, why are you doing this to me? You just want to frustrate my life. Why are you doing this to me now? Why are you doing? I'm trying my best. It's not if I don't have what I'm doing. I have what I'm doing to help myself. I have what I'm doing. I know how I walk around here. I walk with my sewing machine. I walk everywhere. Mama, I don't like it. I don't like it though. I don't like it though. You're trying to make me go crazy in this house. I don't like it though. I don't like it though. Oh, Mama, why are you doing this? No. I can't. I can't go back to that village poor. No, I can't now. If I do, my mother will laugh at me. What do I do? Oh, Ebelo, think. What do I do? I don't want to be poor. I don't want to be poor. What should I do right now?
Baby, you know, since your friends started working with us, you no longer have time for me.
Maybe it's not really like that. You know, since I brought them from the village, I've been the one taking care of them, buying them things, introducing them to so many places and so many things. I've been the one feeding them as well. So things are not really balancing the way I wanted.
But, you know, you should know my capacity. If it's money, you know I'm equal to that. You should be proud of me and know what I can be able to do.
So on that aspect, I rate you 100%. Like, you are the boss on that way. I understand. I'm sorry, okay? Don't worry, as from today, I will start giving you time.
It's okay. I believe you.
Okay? That's why I love you. You're so understanding.
Love you too, Evie.
So girls, this is a sample of the cameras that we are going to be mounting in each of the rooms. Hey! You can call my name again. Sure. This is it. Take a very good look at it. So, we have to be very, very careful on this. Very smart.
Girls, are you sure this is gonna work?
It is going to work perfectly well. After all, we're still workers in the hotel. All we need to do is to place the cameras in each of the rooms. And when the idiots are left, we'll just bring out the cameras and start up the real deal. That's just it.
Exactly. That is just it. Do you understand? And as for you, Nkiru, at those points, just shut up. We don't want to hear your voice. Shut it! Benua! Hey! Ekpes! Go! You sabi? You too much! You know now with this, they will have no choice than to empty their accounts for us.
Yes, they will, but that is if
Shh! I don't need that bad. You know, see my idiot! It's Bukunyala. Enemy of progress.
No, it has not gotten to that.
No, it has not gotten
it
to
has
that.
not.
It has!
No.
She wants to give us back dog.
No.
There's power in the dog.
No.
all I'm saying is that we should be very careful.
Sure, we are going to be smart.
This is a criminal act, so we should be very, very careful. That's it. I know what I'm saying. Think I will break this.
Is it not better you give me deaf and dumb as a sister? That this type of sister that you gave to me, she has mouth, yet she can't use it well. Just to convince a girl for me. She can't. God, why? What have I done to deserve this, God? What have I done?
Chima, because of a woman, because of one, because of a woman, that is why you are praying to God to make your own blood deaf and dumb.
Is it not better? Is it not better? Are you using your mouth well?
Ah, Chima, Chima, you're very wicked. You're so ungrateful. Makonyo Ozo, Makonyo Ilo, an outsider. That is why you want God to make me deaf and dumb. So if I become deaf and dumb now, Chima, you'll be happy. You will be satisfied. So what no problem. If for what you got, you deserve it. I swear, Chima, you got exactly what you're looking for. Yes, now. Wait. She didn't even do it well. See, next time, I told you, Chima, one them. I know these people. These are my friends. I know them. I know how they behave. I know their capabilities. But today. It's just like a chicken and candidate from Don. But more say I reject
I want to ask you a question. Are you sure you're my sister? Because I'm not feeling anything. I'm not feeling the blood. Are you sure you're my sister? I'm not feeling the blood. Dead. Had it been my mother is still alive, I would have asked her some questions because I'm not feeling the blood. You are fair and black. And poverty. Chima, had it been I have money, I would have gone for DNA. I would have checked if you are my sister. Are you sure you're my sister?
Chima, you're saying this to me.
Are you sure we are blood? Look at what you're saying to me, that I deserve what I got. My own blood saying that I deserve what I got. My own blood, person I call my sister.
Now you're playing the victim. You're playing the victim now, Chima. So, you're saying all this to me because I'm trying to look out for you. Because I'm trying to look out for you, Chima. That is why you're saying all these things to me.
I'm taking big risk by eating your food in this house. Come on now, you can't even convince her. You say I deserve what I got. I'm taking big risk to eat your food.
Next time, Chima, if only I get Maggie, what she will do to you, I will even go after her to do worse. Yes, she has not even started with you.
Yes, that girl is not ordinary girl. She is 2 in 1. Irodo, Azodo.
When them look at the Gomilode, Azode, Manuza, the
road. I must enter here. When you get to the city, if the business she's doing is not fine, it's not good, come back to this village so we can continue managing the way we've been managing. I'm
going. I've heard you.
One more thing. We are going to the city. You have to be very careful. Extremely careful. You know what happened to me now? I lost everything I had before in the city. You have to be very careful. City is very tough and rough place.
Brother, don't worry yourself about that. You know me now. You know I'm very smart.
I believe you.
I will go to the city. I will make it and come back. Just relax. You know your sister is smart. I'm not like I'm smart.
What are you trying to say? That I'm not smart?
No, what I'm saying is that if I go to the city, I'll be very focused. I'll be very focused, determined. You understand? I will come back and I'll come back with lots of money. No. I can't go back to the village like this. No, I can't. I would be so ashamed of myself. Not like this. Especially when my friends will all return with big cars, money, building houses for themselves. No. I can't go back. I will stay. I will do whatever they are doing. I will make sure I go back to the village looking well equipped and independent. I will stay back here and do whatever it takes to make their money. They don't have to hurt. I stay.
Pretenders, they say, always does the worst.
And one day the lion will feed on its owner. Woman, spill it out. Open your bowels. Let me know where it is ailing you. Just say it before it is too late.
Mazibe, there is nothing to spill out. So, you better mind your business. Mind your family and leave mine alone.
What boldness? What boldness? Do you have a family? Do you have a family? Do you? Evil woman. Imagine you. You are almost attending menopause. You are actually going to graduate to intellectual menopause. And you are still here. About 50 years you are here exchanging words with me. Me?
Mazibe,
You are evil.
whether I'm married or not is none of your business. But let me tell you, what you are fighting for, you will never get it. Mark my word, never. Evil man, you are just daydreaming.
What boldness. A butterfly that calls himself a bird. Is that right? Nafe mike katolotolo, mafachi.
Just shut up. Okay?
Yeah.
My name is Gentle, and I'll fix Timothy. Okay? I leave no footprint behind. Do what I got to do right now and be safe. Okay? You are the very that is going about blackmailing married people. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, you're right. I'm so sorry about it. I'm so sorry, please. I don't know.
Shut up your mouth. Shut it up. I'm here just to collect the phone. Give it to me right now.
My phone?
Yes.
Okay. Take it.
Shh.
Just take everything you want. Don't do anything to me, please.
Shut up your mouth.
Thank you.
Take it. This is the only way you make your money. This is bullshit as far as I'm concerned. There are other bigger ways for you to make your money. Now let me tell you this. Chief asked me to do this to kill you. Yes. But I'm not going to kill you. I'm just going to help you. Help you make up money. All you need to do is hit me up this night on Route 1. This night. I already saved my number on your phone. It is Gentle. Hit me up this night. Okay?
So girls, that was what he said.
Girls, for crying out loud, we're taking this to another level. Nkiru, yes, we have to take it to another level. Listen, for you to make it in life, you must take risk. And mind you, nothing good comes easy. So we need to do it.
So he said another thing. He said when we have the money, that he will also help us to get some necessary things that we needed.
My dear, I need this money. Nah, I need a pass federal government. What did they tell me here? I need to make this cash. So that once I make it, I'll go to the village. Take title, Ozubo. I'm telling you, see, if you girls are not tired, Angole, the cow pusher. I am tired. You want me to go back to the village and be dragging cows? No way! Do you understand? When we make this money, then we establish big business for ourselves.
You're right on point, girl.
Ekpere, yes, we all need the money. I also need the money. But there are so many things we could do to get money. Vera, Listen,
Goodness.
I am not buying this idea. No matter how you try to convince me, I am not buying it. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't.
For real?
Excuse me, hold on, let me drop my point. Wait.
Okay, I'm listening.
From sleeping with men to blackmailers. From blackmailers to shut up! See, don't spoil our plan. We know what we are doing. We know what we want. If you don't want the money, go back to the village. But I assure you, if we eventually make this money, do not come to me for any kind of help, because I will not help you.
Please, just please, I'm begging you. I don't. This your negativity is always.
You two are really ready to kill just to make money.
It's not about ready to kill. Did you talk about killing?
It could lead to that.
Nobody will kill anybody. We're not wasting anybody's blood. Please,
see.
Tobe, don't tell me you are this moody because of...
You know what? Tell me who my papa be. Tell me who be my papa. Now what thing I want here, that be that. I don't big reach to handle any information. Tell me who born me. I get papa, yes or no?
I don't know where this question is coming from, but I've always told you that our father is dead.
You see the lie give me, Abi? No, you see the lie give me. You know what? Tell me the truth. Eh? See, if you not tell me the truth, I go pack my things, come up for this house. I will just go inside, pack all my belongings. I'll go enter street. Now I go to find my papa. They go for street. You know what? Tell me, Abi?
Tobe, see,
you know what? Tell me.
Just take a chill pill, relax. I will tell you all you need to know.
All right, I will listen. Tell me.
It all started when my elder sister was alive. Mazibe, and she refused to accept Mazibe as a husband.
Mazibe again?
Yes. Even our father refused to give her hand in marriage to him. So Mazibe started hating our family. Later on, Mazibe swore to make sure that my sister does not get married. After some time, my sister was raped.
Jesus.
As a result, she got pregnant. She later gave birth to a handsome, bouncing baby boy. But on the process of giving birth, she died. My father died as a result of heart attack because of her death. That handsome, bouncing baby boy is Tobenna. You are that handsome baby boy.
So the boy be me. So I be product of rape. Hey! So my name now Tobechuku bastard. So I don't get papa.
See, Tobe, the truth is, You have no father that we know of.
So I don't get father. I don't get papa at all. I don't get anybody when I want to call papa.
You have. See, let me when our father died, I met with the chiefs and the king of our community. I pleaded with them to see you and consider you as our father's son, so that you can be able to inherit all his properties. The king is a kind-hearted man. He accepted. So, you are my father's son. You are the one that will inherit all my father's properties, even that big family land, the one I told you of. It is your inheritance.
Ha!
Even Mazibe, he tried to persuade the king to reconsider his decision, but the king refused. Since that day, Mazibe marked you as his #1 enemy.
Huh? But why? So as I just did like this now, just big for nothing. I don't get place when I won't call my own.
Wait, Tobe, does it mean you don't understand all I've been saying? This is your home. This is your house. You belong here.
So I don't get papa. So I'll be bastard. Tobechuku bastard. Hey. Now I know where the bastard come from when everybody they call me for this village. Hey! So why you hide this truth from me all this while? Why? Why you don't want to tell me?
Tobe, I don't want you to feel bad. I don't want you to get hurt. That was the reason.
So how you think I they feel now? You think I they feel good or I they feel bad?
Tobe, just calm down. Just take a chill pill. Take a chill pill.
I will take a chill pill. Ah! Tobechuku is a bastard.
Tobechuku. Tobenna.
Don't tell me you're trying to blackmail me.
You call it blackmail? Well, I call it a lesson. And next time, do not lie to a little girl about your marital status. Guy, it is so disgusting.
Is that why you choose to punish me?
₦5 million. And I'm giving you from now till dawn. Else, risk losing your marriage.
You're not going to see 5 million naira. 5 million naira. What sort of rubbish did you guys put on there?
What do you mean by that? Eh? Did you see those ladies were so rich and mean?
Rich kill you there. I said rich kill you there. I paid you for this.
Do you know how much I spent in this uniform you guys are putting on? And you went there, you fucked everything up. Just like that.
But Oga, we tried now.
Oh.
Didn't we try?
Shut up! Try I kill you there. You tried what? Don't you know my marriage is at risk? My marriage is at risk. We should have just arrested that girl and collect her phone. That video will be in her phone.
Oga, let me tell you something. What if we have change of plans?
I don't understand you. What do you mean by change of plans?
Another strategy.
Another strategy.
That's if can.
Shut up, let me think. Just shut your fucking mouth up.
Sorry.
If you see no work, I'm gonna work.
Oh, fear.
What is happening? Ever since my sister traveled to the city, I have not heard from her. She hasn't even sent message or even bothered to come home. What is happening? I just hope she's fine. Yes.
₦15 million, Chief.
What money again? I think I sent you 6 million naira yesterday.
That was yesterday. Oh, are you ready to do the marriage?
No. Okay. So how much do you need this time around?
15 million, Chief.
15 million. I will send it.
Good for you.
Are you okay?
Yes, perfectly okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, in that case, I want to go to the mall and get something for the house. Do you care for anything?
If you see anything that I would like, you buy for me.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
Take care then. Pure gold. A woman God gave to me. No. I can't possibly lose her because of that video. I'll pay that money. So I have just lost 30 million naira in just a week. Hi.
Okay, you see, I'm here now to tell you these guidelines. For every move that we take, there are rules and regulations that governs this code. Okay, we need to be careful about the things we do. First of all, we all need to change our identities. That is, we need a new name or a nickname. Okay, from now onwards, you don't go by your real name. Okay, now the second code is this. We have to be wearing our gloves, hand gloves for every robbery. You don't just handle the guns like that. We need hand gloves so that we leave no trace behind. It is very, very important.
I don't even know how to hold a gun. I've not held one before.
I understand, and I'm going to teach you. I'll teach every one of you here how to use a gun. And that's the reason why I'm here. Okay? Now let's start. I will teach you how to use this. But first of all, don't worry, it's not loaded. But first of all, you guys need to hear this. I'm going to be collecting 10% from every proceed that you make. It is very, very important that we get these things clear so we don't have issues tomorrow. Okay, these are my demands and we will work with this. So now let me teach you guys how to use this. First of all,
where should we now?
What's up now? What's up you now?
Chiquito.
What's up?
Bebe la hot. Bebe. In a bit.
I don't want. Come on! Your father. Jarika.
Ayana. They're mad.
Both of you must pay me my money today.
Which money?
Guys, you guys must give me back my money. Now.
Respect yourself, bro.
Yeah, come, give me my money.
I don't know what
you're
talking about, bro.
What? I said, what my money?
See this time, leave him.
Leave my money.
Leave him.
Yeah, what my money?
What do you now? Leave him.
What my money?
Leave him.
Yeah, you must pay me back my money. You must pay me back my money. Yeah, you can pay my money.
You dem mad?
You can pay my money.
You mad? Which money?
You must pay back my money.
You must pay back my money.
You must pay back my money. You must pay back my money. You must pay back my money.
How are you?
Chief, you sent an assassin to come and kill me, right?
No, I didn't do so.
Really? I guess your wife is inside the car. Well, I may have to WhatsApp her right now.
No, don't do so, please.
I'll be broadcasting the video around the nation. You know what that means about a political career?
I will send them if that is the case. Please.
Okay. I'll be giving you 2 evenings to drop a 30 million into my account. Take care. Who was that?
Just a political aspirant.
Oh. Just be careful. I don't know.
Politics is a dirty game, and I know how to play it well.
Honestly, girls, I think it's time we take down Gentle because he's becoming a threat to us.
Yeah, I'm thinking about that too. I mean, he told us to be giving him 10% of our income, and we all accepted. Now he increased it to 30%. Who does that? 30%? No. That guy is a retarded bastard. He's too greedy to my liking. How can he sit back, relax, and expect us to be giving him all the money we hustled for? Like our struggle, our thinking, our own imagination and creation. Like, I don't understand. It's not going to happen. It's better we just get the man down.
Well, I think the first thing we should do right now is to plan on how to perfect this plan that we already have.
Kiro, for the first time you made a good point.
Anyway, I think it's time for us to go back to the village. We have to go and let them know that we have arrived. We've made this money. We have made it. We are the movers and shakers of both the city and the village. You gotta go? We need to take permission from work. Yes.
Me, I don't think I'm going back to that work again. I mean, we've made money. Why do we still need to work in the hotel?
No.
there is something you're forgetting, and I need to bring you back. We still need the hotel work to cover up our shit. I mean, this job is a very illegal work. So we still need the hotel work to cover up this dirty one. I mean, what are you talking about?
No point. Nowhere now. Nowhere.
So permission needs to be taken so we can meal.
Oh my world! Hey! That's so. Honestly, this was exactly the same clothes I was wearing in my dream. With bundles of money like this in my hand. Oh my God. It was that English. Angoreka. Are you trying to say that it's been programmed already that we will be like this? I don't know! But Angoreka! Ojego, I'm happy that they're rich. I'm happy that they're rich. I'm happy that's all I want. I'm happy that I want. Ojego, all I want.
You don't hear the rumor where they pass out for this. I beg. I'm not going to involve me with all those them see. Which rumor? I don't want to hear any rumor. I don't start again.
You know the way they happen.
Don't start again. It happen. Wetin happen?
You know that if you see the kind thing where this girl they spread for this town, money. If you see the kind money where this girl they spread for this village, if you see a car.
Oh, now don't start. I don't like and this one, and I go make me and I get better serious problem. When it go last us, we not go ever talk again for this village. I don't command a better matter for my mind since. Now don't hear me say I call it basically since because I know say you don't go city. So I don't come out and small. Me I not come carry and make it come put down for my mind again. Come they give me sleepless nights. I beg.
Okay, it is how they play. Or yeah, go towards that bar side. You go see it better there.
No, not serious.
What do you say with the serious? What do you say with the play?
Go come out there. I go come this village. How be the first person you come meet?
She has left you. She have left you. You say people
not serious.
And this is how they play. If you see the kind of money where this girl they spread.
Hey. What does it? Where she dey?
I don't tell you, go towards that bar side, that our village bar where would they drink. Now that side you go see her. She did there now.
No, serious.
They spread money. She has left you. I talk her. This is how they left you behind. Every time she don't come back carry money. She don't even tell her. And that, this one shock me, women. Women. That's why I know one day too. All those things I know one time. Today now. They're on your own.
Piawamia.
Tell me again.
Piamia.
Don't call me also. Tell me also.
Stupid.
Oh, Diego.
Computare. Hi hum, hi hum, hi hum. Hi hum, hi hum, hi hum. Hi hum. Piawamotale. Piawamotale. See, all my enemies must be put to shame. Now Piamotale. Now Piam. You go there. Climb. If for them ego. If for them ego. Hey!
Papa, what are we?
Odoguna Fempe. Organize. Yes! Hey!
Who the be better come now? Who want challenge?
Hey! Organize. Ofu one do una biago. Ofu one do una biago. And I got to permanent site. We are going to the permanent sites.
You did not even touch your food. You are here crying because of Ekpere. I have told you to forget about her. She is not meant for you.
No. I want a job now. I want a job. Kai. After how many years? I don't save money. Finish now to marry Ekpere. See Ekpere to me. Ekpere go city, leave me for village. Imagine Ekpere they tell me say me I'm stupid. He said me I'm a smelling boy. What did they tell me say smelling boy? I'm so bad.
It's okay.
Don't kill myself.
Wipe your tears. Don't kill yourself. I believe that God will send someone, a beautiful girl that will understand.
Auntie, I don't define another girl. Like Ekpere now, they find Ekpere. Imagine. My Ekpere say me and this man. Say I'm a stupid boy. Say, I'm a smelling boy.
Anything you need, just call me on phone and I'll send it to you.
I'm gonna leave my daughter. I'm sure I'm not dreaming.
No, I have made money.
I'm not dreaming.
Excess money.
Hey! God! My enemies must be shamed. They must be shamed. I am the father of a rich daughter.
Of course. Very, very important. Henceforth, we need someone that will be coming here to cook for you, tidy the place, wash your clothes and everything. Once you get the person, you let me know. I'll place the person on salary.
What will be my next movement? I will change my step. What is it? What is any problem?
Hello, Chichi. Oh, I'm on my way already. Okay, now there's no problem. Papa, I have to be on my way. My friends are waiting.
Be careful, my daughter.
Why?
Oh, but those who belong to someone. Oh, Ogene. Hey, Adam. My God.
Ifere mo bondu ilo. Na etumi anwam. Bia me alisi wori apiam. Wori amamo.
Bye, my father, mama.
Adam, obodo zo hubelo gi si. Your enemies will never see you.
I'm running late.
It's okay.
All my enemies.
Put it to shame. That boy.
Hello, gentle. Good afternoon.
What's keeping you guys with the bargain?
Oh, the 30%?
Yes, 30%.
Give me a second.
Did you do it? No, I don't trust your shooting, girl. I don't trust your shooting.
Manka. One of my cause, stupid girls. Hello, is this the DPO? The identity doesn't matter. I have some information that you might need.
Hey!
Good to see you happy. What happened?
Good news! Good news. Auntie, you know that my friend Afam now when they be Ejima, they don't go city now, go they stay with their...
Okay, the one that traveled to the city a few months ago. Okay, what about them?
I be back today as I do my work. Then one driver come, say the same message come. The same message come give me say make I come city, come they stay with them, we go the hustle together.
That sounds good. But are you sure they are the one that sent the message?
Auntie, I be small picking again. So I don't go know when the same message come give me or who send the message come. I send at them. Afam, my friend, you don't know when they come this house.
Hey, that is good. It's good news indeed.
Yes, so,
but we'll have to confirm if actually they are the ones that sent the message. You have to go.
Auntie, you not get what they confirm again. I send at them.
Hey,
now I don't farm again. What tell me? I don't go city now. I don't city boy.
and
Today.
you go and make it there. Real big.
Auntie, if I don't make calm, hey, I go shame all of them for this village. I go come this village, I go do big party, I go keep big cow. if I don't kill the cow, I go invite everybody. But nobody for this village go chop that food. Huh? Nobody go chop from that cow.
What in this
all the food when I cook, nobody from this village go cook, go chop them. Now my friends, when they outside, when they come, when they be this village, and they go chop the food.
Wait, Otobe. What did these village people do to you?
I go shock all of them. Nobody believe you. Nobody ever believes I go make am, and I go make am for this life.
You go shock them.
You see that my uncle? That man will be Ibe. When I get two left leg, that man, I go show him.
I will help you to kill him.
That man go wash plates. That go be my plate washer. Be plate washy.
No. He will not wash plates. We will kill him, and I will join you in killing him. Oh, Tobe, it's good to see you happy. Shy God, please help him. Thank you. Hi. Tobe, hi. I'm very, very happy that you are living in this place at last. See, if you reach there, be real you. Bring out your best. Bring out the best in you. Don't let those city girls to distract you. Enugo, don't be stubborn. Mind the type of friends you will follow. And don't let anyone to mislead you. Biko.
Auntie, I know say I'm stubborn though. But I know say I get sense.
I know.
Even you know now. You know say I get sense.
I know you get sense.
I know say I dey work, I get straight. I dey hard work. I be hard working boy.
Hard working. You are a hard working guy.
Correct, Abi?
Yes.
Hard working boy.
Guy.
I say I go shock them. I go do everything when I need to do to make money. If not for anything, auntie, but because of you, so that I go fit send you money.
No be 1,000.
No, better money, better. That 1,000 I pack money be that one.
Conductor
I dey go
money.
city, conductor, yes, conductor money. I dey go city go make better money. I go make that money. I go shock all of them. Oluwa shocker. Shock all of them.
I believe you.
And I will come back this village, you. And when I come this village, I go do that my party and they always stay. I go kill cow. And if I kill that cow, nobody for this village.
Your enemies, they will not eat it.
They don't go shop am. Auntie, me I can't go.
Okay, let me put leg for you.
What I just pray for me.
No, I will pray for you.
Oga, you call me.
Yes.
I hope say I never do anything bad.
No. Tobe, I actually called you to thank you for everything you have been doing for me. You know, since you started working for me, my business have not recorded anything like lost. So I actually called you here today to reward you on Sunday. I have rented an apartment for you where you will live your life freely. And the car parked over there. Here is the key. That car parked over there. It's your car. Good. Not only that, I am transferring 2 million naira for you right away for you to buy anything you wish to buy.
Jesus.
Jesus. Calm down, Tobe. All I will tell you is to keep the good work going, okay? Yeah, calm down.
Tobe, stand up. You're a very good person, Tobe. Very truthful and trustworthy. We have taken it upon us to take you to any level you want in life. Okay? What are you doing? Stop!
Calm down, my guy. No, he's happy. Don't blame him. He's happy.
I know.
Detective, armed robbers just left my house now. All major checkpoints should be at alert. They made away with state money in my house, please. I want you here first thing in the morning, please.
Oga, I don't see Gitman for there. You know where he go?
To become close. Detective is the only one who was aware about that money before the robbery last night.
Mr. Man, you are under arrest. Let's get to the station for questioning.
Move.
Robbers attacked us last night and took away the state's 10 million naira. Jesus. And you were a suspect.
No, I'm not a suspect. No. Move. Oga, what's in the door? Oga, move. Oga.
You are surrendered by the police. Your hands up in the air. Drop your weapons. Now move it. Come on, move! Move! Hands up, move!
Please release my boy. I found out he's not the one involved in this. I feel so bad right now. Release him immediately. I'll send the driver to come and pick him. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Toby, I'm very, very sorry. I am sorry. I now know better. Sorry.
Guy, pay me. You pay me, reach my bone. After everything, Oga, you still don't trust me. After everything, what you even do for me, you make me feel like I get family for your house. But still, small temptation come, you don't trust me.
Toby, this, I'm making you a promise. I want to take you for a trip to any country of your choice. 1 year trip. You can travel with anybody you want to travel with. Please, let me make it up to you. I beg you.
We are very sorry. We are very, 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 very sorry. Please forgive us. You know we love you so much. Please.
Toby, you won't blame me with the circumstances surrounding the whole issue. I'm sorry.
What is happening? It's over months my sister traveled to the city. I have not got any news from her or message. What is happening? I can't sit back here and pretend as if everything is fine. It's high time I go in search of my sister. I think it's the best thing to do. I will go in search of her. No, I have to go in search of her.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
I'm looking for Mr. Chima.
Hope there is no problem.
Are you a brother to Miss Wan in Kiroka?
Yes. Did she send you to come and bring me to the city?
Well, not really. Your sister Nkiruka was shot dead on Tuesday. On her way trying to escape with the money she stole from one Mr. Chief Ego.
No, it can't be my sister. No, it's not possible. My sister is not a thief now. My sister, I know it's not a thief. It's not possible now. How can you give me such a news? It's not possible for my sister to steal now. It's not possible now. I know my sister very well. Maybe check the next compound. I don't think he's here, please.
Young man, what I told you now is just the reality. Okay?
Wait. You mean my sister Nkiru is dead?
Of course she's dead. And for your information, don't try to come for her body because it now belongs to the government.
Now you now belong to me. My sister cannot die. It's not possible my sister cannot die. You are not my personal property too. You are not going anywhere. My sister cannot die. It's not possible. My sister cannot die. How can you tell me my sister is not a thief? My sister can you just defend yourself and let her never be a thief? My sister can never be a thief. My sister cannot die. It's not possible. My sister cannot die. My sister cannot die. Please, can I see her body, please? Can I see her body?
How may I help you?
I'm Detective Decent. I believe you're Angore's father.
Yes.
Mazibe, right? Your daughter was involved in an armed robbery shootout.
My daughter?
And she'll be charged to court very soon. You can still represent her if you want,
Officer! No. No! It is not possible! An armed robber cannot come from Mazibe's loins. No! Ambition. I saw it coming, but I couldn't stop it. I pushed my daughter to this. I did. No, Anguli cannot. No.
There are many ways to success, the long way and the shortcut. The short one lead to destruction, so better choose the long way. Oh, if you was in a galaka, no shortcuts in life. We're not you know I need.